We'll guide you through how to fix a Samsung phone green screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because it makes it hard to go and use your phone as it's all green, so we've got some different fixes you can try doing. So for the first method, you will need to be able to use your phone screen, so you can skip it if you can't. We need to go and head to our settings like so. In here, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for accessibility. As you can see, there it is. Now in here, you need to go and find the option for vision enhancements, and you need to go down and find the option for color filter and go and tap there. Now what you can do is try turning it off if it's on. That solved the problem for me. However, if that doesn't work or you're unable to use your phone screen, we're going to try performing a restart. So what you can do is go onto the side, hold down the side button and the volume down button together like so. Keep these held down, you may go and see this screen here, you may not, but shortly your screen is going to go black. Just like so, and you can then go and release. Shortly your phone should go and turn back on, as you can see, and now go and wait. Hopefully when it starts, the problem is now solved. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then consider subscribing and liking the video.